The topic of today's video is how to delete your Bingx account. Alright, so what I would suggest is use the link in the description. That is going to take you directly to the Bingx deletion portal. And it'll probably prompt you to sign in, but if you're already signed in like me, it'll just bring you here. Now, in order to delete your account, you have to apply for it. You have to make sure that there is no risk of your account being compromised, so they may ask you some KYC questions. The account has no funds or all funds have been withdrawn, and there are no open positions. If you are good on all of these, then you can click on apply for deletion. Of course, I'm not going to click on that because then my account's going to be deleted. Keep in mind that Bingx will do their reviews before anything is processed, and they will probably get back to you via email. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.